Hello dear viewers, welcome on board. What a good afternoon for us, and like we said, our work is to deliver at question 7 KQ 2023 projections. The question reads, given that 5 power x is equal to 7 power y, find the ratio of x to y. 3 marks. So going straight to our solution. What a simple question, simple but tricky. So to my viewers and learners, please contextualize the information, digest, and critically think over it. So here, having 5 power x being equivalent to 7 power y, we can see the numbers themselves are of different bases. So we have to introduce log. Introduce log on both sides. So doing so, I shall be having x log 5, which is equivalent to y log 7, y log 7, and therefore we have to have the ratio of x ratio y, which simply means x over y. Converting a ratio into a fraction, of course, is just the first number over the second number. First number over the second number. Therefore, following what we have here, we have to divide by y. So x log 5 is equal to y log 7, and therefore I have to bring y to be this side so that I can attain x over 5. Doing the same, we have to eliminate log 5 by dividing on both sides by log 5. So log 5 cancels each other, and therefore y also cancels y on the other side. So what am I left with here? I shall be having x over y as equivalent to log 7 over log 5. So we just go to our calculators and we press a log 5 over log 7, over log 5. So from my calculator, we get 1.2091. 1.2 1.2 0 1.209 09. So having this in place, because of ratios, we may not consider many of these numbers. We just need to have 1.2 to have a simple ratio, and therefore x over y becomes 1 over 2. We don't leave ratios in decimal form, and therefore converting this into fraction, we shall have 12 over 10, which can still be simplified as 6 over 5. So therefore 6 over 5 can still be written as x ratio y is therefore 6 ratio 5. Very simple, guys. Nothing is too difficult to understand. Our concept here is very simple. Numbers having different bases, we just introduce logarithm on both sides, as you have seen. The big deal here is to make sure we have x ratio y, which is x over y, and therefore we had to divide by y on both sides. Doing the same, letters alone, numbers alone. So the same thing we have to do on this side by dividing by log 5. This helps us to reduce our equation to be more simpler. And therefore, as you can see, we were able to remain with log 7 alone over log 5. Using our calculator, log 7 divided by log 5 gave us 1.209. And I explained this part that because we just need simple ratios, we are just going to consider maybe 1.2 for that matter. 1.2, we cannot leave ratios in decimal form. So we have to convert this into a fraction by dividing by 10 to kill the decimal. So finally you have 6 over 5, which is simply 6:5. Thank you very much again. Guys, like I said, our main big deal here is to educate our learners, stand with them when they need us the most, and therefore to inform them that maths is doable. You just need to concentrate, use what you are taught at school, and you will be able to maneuver. Share, please, subscribe, and God will bless. Thank you very much.